Speaking of lunch, we're at lunchtime, and if you're heading out to lunch, it's going to be nice. It's overall comfortable because of a little bit more cloud cover right now. Temperatures aren't too hot, or in the middle to upper 80s at this hour. You can see on radar a couple of showers towards LaGrange, towards Houston. So a big heads up if you're driving down I-10 towards like Luling, Gonzales, Houston, East Texas. There will be a couple more downpours and thunder showers out in that direction. But here at home, it's a partly cloudy sky. In some locations like Morgan's Wonderland Camp, you can see mostly cloud cover with a few breaks in blue at this hour. Temperature-wise, we're reading right around 88 degrees at the airport. Same thing at Stinson, mostly cloudy skies. Winds are calm, 5 to 10 miles an hour. Dew points are hovering in the middle 60s at this hour. 86 at Bernie, 88 at Lavernia. We have a northeast wind. Now, despite that wind direction, it's still pretty humid outside. Backing out the view, putting more counties on the map. 90 at Pearsall, 90 at Cotulla, and 89 at Del Rio at this hour. Now, here's the radar. We'll step off camera and show you what we have. We have a couple more downpours in our eastern counties, but mostly isolated. There's a very broad area of rotation in the atmosphere, a weak upper level disturbance, and that is fueling the lift and dynamics we need to get thunderstorms going. Now, notice it's not widespread, but some of that is moving in our direction towards the I-35 corridor, towards San Antonio. So we'll see a couple more isolated downpours today, but a lot less compared to the last several afternoons. Here's today's forecast. High temperature of 94. If you get caught under a downpour, you may see cooler temperatures than that. But between now and about 7 p.m., more isolated activity. So some thunder and lightning is certainly possible on the evening commute as you head back home from work. Here it is on the hour by hour. 3 o'clock today, hit or miss showers in the area. Middle to lower 90s by 6 p.m. Very similar. And some of these downpours could get heavy at times. We're not expecting anything severe. And mostly east of Bexar County is where the highest threat for localized flooding will be towards, again, Houston and southeast Texas. Very quickly, Hurricane Aaron, a strong Category 1 hurricane, 90 miles an hour, moving east-northeast at 28. It's being picked up by the upper-level jet stream. That's why it's starting to spread out and flare out on infrared imagery. Zooming out, you can see several disturbances out in the Atlantic. This will likely become Tropical Storm Fernand, and this will likely become Tropical Storm Gabrielle as it nears the Caribbean Sea by next Wednesday. All right, here's your 14-day forecast. Today, 94, 30% opportunity at seeing some isolated thunder showers. Same thing for tomorrow. Don't let that cancel plans. Sunday should be a mostly sunny day, high temperature of 96. By next week, as we wrap up August, temperatures pretty seasonal in the middle to upper 90s, and September 1st is just around the corner, Sarah.